Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to discuss about the index match function and how we can use index and match formula. As you can see here, I have a basic example where I have division in first column and apps on second column and also revenue and profit in the next two columns. So here I want to extract division, profit and revenue according to my selected app. So here I have a drop down that contains the names of all the apps. So if I just want to extract the division, profit and revenue for each app. Suppose if I select any of the app from the drop down list, I want to extract the division, profit and revenue automatically. So for that I am going to use index match formula. So first let us understand what is index formula. So the first argument of an index formula is array. So basically it acts as a map. So for example, I want to choose this range of cells as my array. Now the second argument is row number. If you give a second row number, it will extract the value in the second row, and if you give the first column, then it will extract the value from second row and from first column. So as you can see here, this is my first and this is my second row and this is my first column. So index function basically returns a value of the cells according to a specific number of rows and number of columns. So now let us try to understand what is the use of match function. So first of all, the first argument of the match function is lookup value. For example, I want to look this value. The second argument is lookup array. Where do you want to look this value? So this value is lie in this range, so I am going to select this array. The third thing is, do you want to exact match or not? So I am going to choose the exact match, close the bracket and press enter. So it will return a number, like it will tell you the position of that specific value in that range. For example, this specific app lies on the fourth position in this range, so it will return a number. So now I'm going to use a combination of index and match formula to extract the division. So in this cell, first I am going to extract my division according to the selected app. Type index, select the array where your division is present. The second is row number. So as I want to select my division according to my selected app, so first of all I have to know where this app lies. Like I want to know the position of this app, this specific app. So for that I am going to use match function so that it can tell me the specific position. So lookup value is my specific app, lookup array. So I have to select the array where my specific app lies, and I